Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two handheld sewing machine brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Singer 01663 handheld sewing machine and the Tchrules handheld sewing machine. Have you become weary of making regular trips to the tailor only to have minor cloth repairs? Imagine having a sewing machine and being able to fix your clothes yourself. These pocket-sized monsters are becoming trendier day by day because not only are they able to stitch any type of clothing, but they're also highly portable. If you're in search of the best handheld sewing machine, you're in the right place. In this video, we review two 5-batch sewing machines, the Singer 01663 to fight against the Tchrules handheld sewing machine in an epic battle of convenience, portability, and functionality. If you're interested in other handheld sewing machines that we reviewed, do check out our handheld sewing machines review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these handheld sewing machines will be going toe-to-toe with would be their portability. When it comes to a sewing machine, portability is one of the most important features, and the best handheld sewing machines are recognized for this. Even though you can't call them perfect replacements for regular sewing machines, they can still do a fantastic job. Compact and lightweight, the Singer 01663 handheld machine is easy to move from room to room, fixing frays on the go with its 9 by 2.25 by 7.5 inch dimension. Comparatively, measuring 8.74 by 2.09 by 5.83 inches, Tchrules can meet various sewing demands in daily life and is a perfect tool when you need quick repairs and alterations wherever you go. Both brands clearly strive for portability, but Tchrules knocks Singer down in terms of measurement. Though the numbers are pretty close, Tchrules still comes out on top. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their power source. These machines require a power source to run, which is why it's one of the first things you should consider. If you travel a lot and need to take your sewing machine with you, we suggest choosing one that can be powered by both batteries and an electrical outlet. The Singer is powered by 4 AA batteries, which free you from the confines of a cord so that you can move wherever with ease. Likewise, Tchrules is also battery-powered, which makes it so much faster and easier to fix hems, mend a torn pocket, or shorten trousers all within minutes. When it comes to the power source, you can rely on the cordless feature of Singer and Tchrules. With that, we have a tie in this round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their material. When it comes to build quality, look for the option that's made of durable materials and can be used in a wide range of fabrics, so you can be sure that it's worth the investment. Both the Singer and Tchrules are made of a high-quality plastic body. This is only reasonable since handheld sewing machines ought to be lightweight. But it's nothing to worry about because, unlike traditional sewing machines, these tiny monsters are only designed for light stitches and quick repairs, so its plastic body's just enough. For that, we still have a tie in this round. The fourth category that these two products will be going toe-to-toe with would be their applications. Since some machines are better suited to certain tasks, it's important to think about the reason behind your purchase before making one to determine whether your choice is right for you. The Singer 01663 is ideal for mini and quick repair tasks around your house, and these may include repairing the beddings and curtains. It works with a variety of materials from thick to thin. But of course, you shouldn't expect too much because it's not as heavy-duty as the traditional sewing machine. There are only so many fabrics that this machine can handle. On the other hand, Tchrules is simple to use and works with a variety of materials. You may modify the needle's length to handle thicker materials, allowing you to use it to repair denim, linen, and many more. Singer and Tchrules are almost exactly the same in every category, and this is one of the many. They may be able to work with thicker materials, but you should know that they are still best used in lightweight fabrics. Again, we have to give a point to both brands. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their package inclusions. When looking for a sewing machine, it is important to know what kinds of accessories are included. You probably don't want to be spending extra money on add-ons, which is why you must not take this aspect lightly. The Singer comes prepared as the package includes thread, bobbins, machine needles, and a thread spindle. These are everything you'll need to tackle the small, tedious process of repairing clothes. On the flip side, not only do you get a portable, easy-to-use sewing machine with Tchrules, but you also get everything you need to get started in those minor repairs. Out of the box, you'll see a complete sewing tool to meet your daily needs. This includes 6 bobbins, 10 paper clips, a pair of scissors, 1 soft tape measure, 1 threader, 1 extension rod, and 1 needle. Though we appreciate the accessories that came with Singer, we're still impressed with the ones from Tchrules, and we know you love them too. You won't be needing anything else because Tchrules has everything you need. Therefore, this round belongs to Tchrules. This has been a tough match between the two brands, but as we end this brand war, it's only fair we acknowledge the overall champ. With a score of 5-3, the Tchrules handheld sewing machine came out on top and defeated the famous Singer 01633. Nonetheless, both are among the finest ones in the market, and although Singer took a loss, it's still worth a try as it performs impressively well in terms of power source, material, and applications. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Singer 01663 handheld sewing machine and the Tchrules handheld sewing machine has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next handheld sewing machine face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.